Well, it's like 10 a.m. on Sunday. I got the boys. Ashley's inside with Molly, and we are at Starbucks because it's the boy's second birthday the other day, so we're gonna get them their first puppuccino. So see how this goes. Should make a total mess out of it, and they'll probably argue over it too, because they usually do. But see how this whole thing goes. All right, we got puppuccinos.
We got your pup cups.
All right, go ahead, sit on the ground. Let's see how this whole thing goes. Get over there.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll get Pink on this one. Are you ready?
No.
Go on, Pink. Ben's got it on his face.
Oh yeah.
Hey Ben. You're ready.
Look at Molly.
Here, Pim Pim. Pim Pim.
Molly.
Pim Pim. You need some Molly?
Okay, Ruby.
So we ran over to where this truck's getting detailed at, and we're swapping the arms around the way Ben wants it, and hopefully things will line up right. But we're actually almost done. We've been doing this for what?
10 minutes maybe.
10 minutes maybe. Got the puppies. And they've had quite a day for their birthday. We got them toys at PetSmart, and then we're gonna finish this. Ashley's gonna go ride horses, and I'm gonna go home and have some me time. So we'll finish this here in a minute or two, and then good to go.
Hungry. I'm ready to pass out.
Well, that hit the spot.
Yep.
Good old Lynn's. Now Ashley's gonna go horseback riding.
Don't forget my stuff.
And I'm gonna go have me time.
Don't forget my stuff.
And go find a new girlfriend for like 2 hours. Okay, bye. She gets so mad when I joke around with her. She ought to know after 5 years I'm obviously joking. But I'm gonna go get Pim Pam, and I'm gonna bring Pim Pam to Walmart with me. And all kinds of girls will come up to him and pet him. But that's it. I'll tell you though, if I was single, It's a very good way to get girls. Take a cute fluff ball to the store. They'll be falling over themselves to play with them. I'm trying to get Jared, who's our ground hand, to do that. Take one of the dogs with me to the store, and all kinds of girls will come up to him. He'll be like, well, I'd end up being like, well, give him your number. But he doesn't like doing that. He gets all embarrassed. So we'll see how this goes. Well, I'm over at the office. I'm gonna go take the granite over to the kid that's gonna detail it, pick up the end dump, bring the end dump back to the office, and that's it. In particular, what I wanted to do, I have stuff to do at home, but probably take me 45 minutes total to do all this. So, hell with it. Knock it out real quick. And then go back to doing what I was doing. Well, now I'm in the end dump. I don't know, well, you can actually see that through the headache rack there. But we call this the Day Cab Mac. 18 speed twin stack Mac. Used to be an old logging truck. Makes quite a bit of power. Does pretty well. And I'm gonna run it back over to the yard. So I got a couple of things from the store, and we're gonna do time lapse of us organizing it, counting them and stuff. See how that whole thing goes. Something for the YouTube channel. Put some YouTube shorts together. Just some stupid monotonous stuff that will take forever. See how YouTube ends up liking that. And then counting how many Skittles are in one of those giant bags of Skittles. And then, oh, what else did I get? Oh, peanut M&Ms. Organized peanut M&Ms by color. And then counting them to see how much are in it. That should be fun as well. But headed back over to the office. Not a whole lot going on today.
Oh my god. You suck.